Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chef here. I hope you're well. Today's episode is very simple, quick, but delicious. 椒盐虾, salt pepper shrimp, coming up. So here's everything that I'll be using today. Of course, the main ingredient is shrimp. Mine have shell on, that is my preference. I've got garlic, ginger, green onion, Sichuan peppercorns, just about a quarter of a tablespoon. Cornstarch, black pepper, sea salt. We'll need some regular cooking oil, preferably the one that has no flavor. So here I got the ginger, garlic, and onion all chopped up. So go ahead and set that aside for now. So next thing that we need to do is toast these Sichuan peppercorns. This is just on medium heat. You don't want to burn them. Keep them moving around just until they are fragrant. Here we go. They go in here. Next, let's add salt. And I have a coarse grind salt. A tablespoon for reference. There you go. Alright, check this out. See? The salt actually helps to grind the peppercorns as well. And because I use coarse salt, no harm here. It just becomes smaller granules. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add a bunch of pepper right in here. Let's just give it a mix real quick. I think a little more. That's pretty beautiful. Next order of business are the shrimp. Alright, so cornstarch, just coat lightly. Mix in. This still has a lot of water because they were frozen, but we'll be okay. Let's get our wok on high heat. I'm gonna go ahead and shallow fry those shrimp, so we need quite a bit of oil. Alright, well, the oil is hot. How to check if you're ready to fry? Take a chopstick, get it in. See how the bubbles are forming? I hope you can see. And in we go. Just be careful. Once they are about 90% done, you can just take them out. Use a paper towel. Alright, just let them drain like this. So, I'm going to dispose of most of this oil. Alright, so I got like a tablespoon of leftover oil, and normally I think people prefer to use fresh oil, but You know, this is flavorful because shrimps were in here, so this oil is nice and tasty. Okay, get it really hot again. Alright, so now going in with all of this, and we're gonna have to go pretty fast because oil is really hot, so we don't want to burn it. Wow, that smells great. Just make sure you don't burn this. That is our goal here. Keep this moving around. Nice, nice. Shrimps are going in. Looks and smells really good. Remember our spice mix. Oh, wow, that smells amazing. Give a little more. Pretty much, we're done. Well, it is time to try them. Look how nice they are. So my opinion for this dish is best to use shrimp with shell. The seasoning we used is quite concentrated. There's a lot of pepper, a lot of salt, plus the Sichuan peppercorns in there too. Most of the seasoning is stuck to the outside on the shell of the shrimp that I presume you're not going to eat. Of course you could, but generally speaking, you will have just a little bit of seasoning that you'll be able to taste as you bite into a shrimp, but you know, most of it will be removed with the shell and discarded. So here we go. Wow, that is tasty. As you saw, the recipe is really simple. If you don't have Sichuan peppercorns or you don't like them, by all means you can leave them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it inspires you to make something like this. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you nothing but the best as always. See you next time.